I'm Lary Wolf, and this is Stuart Gross. We're partners at the law firm of Roberts and Holland. And we're going to talk about some of the tax changes that have a particular impact right now on New Yorkers involving state and local tax deductions and mortgage interest. The state and local tax deductions include property, sales tax, and the local, state and local income taxes. And there's a cap on how much you can claim as an itemized deduction for those three taxes, and that is $10,000. It's not real estate taxes incurred in a trade or business, but your home real estate tax is now subject to this cap. So this is a big deal for New York City and New York State. This potentially, Stuart, has an impact on real estate in general as to where employers will want to locate, and will employees want to come to New York because it is a high tax state.
There's certainly been a lot of talk about the impact on buying a home versus renting a home, and now buying a home where the real estate tax is no longer going to be a deduction. And I understand they made some changes to the mortgage interest expense as well.
Right, mortgage interest expense is now capped at, for new mortgages, $750,000 a mortgage. That is the interest on that amount of the mortgage. And before, that number was mortgages of $1 million plus a $100,000 home equity line of credit. And that home equity line deduction has been eliminated. If you have an old mortgage, you can still deduct interest up to $1 million, and you can refinance up to that amount as well.
I guess that reduction might make sense, or might seem reasonable in the context of homes and other markets around the country. Here in New York, $750,000 probably doesn't get you a whole lot of home in a lot of places.
In a lot of places. So the combination of the reduction in the ability to claim state and local taxes, and that's your income tax and your real estate taxes, plus the limits on mortgage interest, could very well have a negative impact on the housing market.
So I guess you talked about the increase in the standard deduction. With the elimination of state and local income taxes as a deduction, many fewer people are going to be itemizing their deductions. And as I said, that probably is true simplification for a lot of people, but it's going to dramatically change what a lot of people's tax returns look like.